Transportation, entry number 461, Nearly Chocolate. Ownership by Sonny Ternega from Madison, Georgia.
Congratulations,
World champion, Nearly Chocolate, and Chestnut Gelding. Second hunt for chocolate out of Esco Coordinator. Red Van Melvin Kaiser Jr., Bessemer City, North Carolina. Placing first in NSBA as well. Receiving the custom design Gold World Show Trophy. Along with the Montana Silversmith. The specially designed logo jacket and world champion patch from Cripple Creek Outerwear. Along with the Weatherbeater blanket, 100 pounds of Great Nutrient feed, the world champion neck wreath, the world champion medallion, $1,727. Congratulations to our world champion in amateur hunting equitation. Number 461, Nearly Chocolate, shown by Sonny Ternega, Madison, Georgia. Congratulations, Sonny. And congratulations to all our finalists in the hunting equitation.